Hey guys, welcome back to this recap for Wednesday. Let's check out the price action, see what happened, use it as a true recap, right? We're analyzing the data, training our eye to price action and understanding the support and resistance, what really happened, and how could we have taken advantage of the opportunity that was in place, or also seeing how we could avoid losing money, because losing money also is saving you money, right? As long as you keep capital in that account and take advantage of it when you can. So let's jump on over to the charts here, and we're sitting on the 15-minute, and pretty exciting, right? So the 15-minute, we just saw a lot of chop today with our breakout trigger, breakdown trigger here, and then you also have your daily support down here, and up here you have your daily resistance on the chart. You also have your 15-minute 200 that's been pushing down. It has been held nicely against it, and it's not really getting pushed even lower. So it's something that we're going to watch for here. Now, most of the price action kind of just ran up and broke down. Then it was already getting into the afternoon when it kind of ran back up. Now, these are trade opportunities in here. If that's what you are looking for, you can kind of see that setup. I know for me, I'm definitely looking at a neutral state when I'm stuck in between these moving averages, this 21 and 200. When it was below it, it's definitely considered bearish. We never did get above it, though. So that's about it. Let's go ahead and see. You might want to know how you got these levels. We use our Carbrota site. It goes out in every day. It picks the session that you want. It kind of tells you based on your IP address what session time frame that you'd want to show up. In my case, I want to show up at 7:30, but really I have to wait till after 8 o'clock to run the numbers so I can get my key levels. So I can just pick that session, run the number, and from there it gives me a nice little battlefield report down here, which is mainly the support and resistance, the breakout trigger, breakdown trigger, and the 30-minute high and low. You just copy the indicator data, and then you just jump back over to the site, and then from there you can just right click on the indicator, click settings, and then put it right into the chart. Quick and easy, no problem. Once you put it in there, click OK, and then from there it lays them on there, and now you're ready for the day. Obviously about right here is when we're sitting on there, just kind of twiddling our thumbs going, okay, what are we going to do, right? Well, we're going to wait for a breakout. Now, in today's price action, you might be going, okay, well, we got the breakout here. That green line is your breakout trigger. What'd you do? Well, you had your daily resistance sitting up there, and that blocked it. So once it blocked it, then you couldn't take it. So then you had this sideways price action, and then it fell down. Now you're waiting for it to break out. Again, you're kind of really tight right here on the daily and the trigger, so I'm going to wait for it to really break below that. Once it broke below that, though, it quickly tried to recover and back up into this support, and you can see that happen. So it really didn't ever give you a good signal to say, hey, this is going down, this is going up. It's a wide range. A lot of times when you see a wide range like this on your triggers, that is a good sign of like, oh man, this is going to be, whew. It's not going to be the best day. It's going to be a whipsaw day. We actually have tools too that rank that kind of stuff and really does the math. But it basically ranked it as a very low probability day for us. So it just, right in the morning, we already kind of just put our hands up and say, nah, we don't want to mess with it, just because we rather trade the best times. So, but yeah, if you're just analyzing it, like going through and training your eye to price action using support and resistance, I say support and resistance is the best way to look at a chart. Use your indicators to either be entering a chart, and then use your indicators to manage a trade in a chart is great. But to use the indicators to try to figure out price action and where it's going, yeah, it's probably a bit harder to deal with, and you get kind of noise. I do use my 21 and 200 as reference points. Obviously, when you're in between them, I always say that's neutral. When you're below them both, I'm bearish, and if you're above them both, I'm bullish. You can see that we're not there yet. We are sitting in a key area right around that 90,000. Let's see if we can get back above it. Once we get back above it, that's a strong support zone again. You can see that it has been testing it even today. It tested it quite a bit. It ran up, crashed into it, came down, crashed in. A great area to accumulate BTC. You know, if you no pressure there, but if you wanted to do something like that, that's kind of the stuff you're looking for to acquire. And then obviously it ran back up. and now it's sitting in possible breakout. It's still bearish because we're below the 21 and 200, but you can see that things are starting to get tight. It's just showing it could have a potential for some expansion, and we'll have to watch that opportunity in the space here. So that's what we're watching for right now. So all right, I'll go ahead and leave you guys with that. I won't bore you too much by looking at any more price action and looking at longer time frames yet, but it is something that we're watching for this to break up. There is definitely more bull behavior and more pressure. They're coming in and buying it constantly, and the bears just aren't pushing and pulling down. So it's something that we are kind of watching more for this upward build. And as long as it kind of stays in this lower area, the stronger that it can lower, the longer in this base area it can build out, the higher it can run up into, you know, the higher areas of space, if you will, right? The higher in that upper space. So we're watching it definitely to keep building down here. All right, guys, I'll let you go. Like and subscribe, ask questions if you have them. Check us out on the YouTube channel. You can check out cabroto.com as well. It's in our description. And we'll see you guys in the next recap. Talk to you soon.